Hi guys, welcome to Bill's Barbecue. I am Bill and I'm going to show you today how to make a salsa criolla. Salsa criolla is mostly made on the South American countries, and I'm going to show you it's very easy to make and it's delicious. So the first thing that we're going to need is the bell peppers. So I have multiple colors here and you can use them all red, but I like the combination of flavors. So the first thing that we're going to do, we're just going to put them directly on the coal. And what that's gonna do is it's gonna create a charcoal flavor, which is delicious. So as you guys can see, the bell started making some noise. It's just that it's cooking on the inside, and that's what we want. And we're gonna wait until they are very burnt on the outside, and don't worry about it, you cannot overcook them, so they will be fine. So this is kind of what we're looking for, that dark burnt area. Let me open this so you guys can see better. So we're gonna go real quick through the ingredients that you will be using. So you will have some black pepper. You know, this up to you. Half a teaspoon to a teaspoon will be okay. We have also fresh garlic. We have onion. We have oregano. We have cilantro and salt. Another couple of items that you will need as well will be olive oil, a wine vinegar, and half a lemon or lime. We're gonna wait until this cooks. And this is just coming up beautifully. And this is exactly what we want. This is what we're looking for. If you see, when I touch it, it kind of peels. That's what we're looking for. And again, this is something that you guys can do while you guys are putting all the coal together before you put the meat or anything. You put this sauce, you create all this, and it will really, really impress your guests. Now this is coming very nice. This is looking really, really good. You want them to look as close to a charcoal as you can. So as you guys can see, here I have some ice water, and this is very important because once they're done, we're gonna put them here, and what this cold water is gonna do is gonna just help you peel the bell peppers. This one is ready, so what we do, you just put them here, let them soak. And then we're gonna peel them, and look at how easy they peel. This is the outer skin, and look at how the water immediately changed. This is all the juices of the pepper just releasing, and this is exactly what we want. So this is what we're looking for. They're very soft to the touch, and this is perfectly cooked. So now what we're gonna do is gonna go here. You're gonna cut them. They're gonna be a little warm on the inside, but that's perfectly fine. Just try not to burn yourself. You're gonna take this out. We don't need this. Take all this. And then we're just gonna cut it into finer pieces. And what we're looking for is little squares of roughly a 1/4 inch or so. The smaller the better, but doesn't have to go very, very tiny. You know, you want to have some bigger pieces and some smaller pieces in there. And this is just beautiful. So we're gonna take a look at the other ones here. This one is also good to go. This is a little bigger one, so we're gonna leave it for a little longer. And I recommend you to use a glass container. You can use plastic as long as you know that it's gonna be consumed on the same day. If not, I recommend you to use glass. Any glass container will work. So again, this is how nice they peel. I recommend you a wooden spoon. We're gonna add the onions. The onions you guys can use, it's up to your taste, but you guys can use a 1/4 of an onion. We're gonna use 4 to 5 garlics. Oregano and cilantro, 4 to 5 teaspoons. Pepper. This is entirely up to you. You guys can use it or not. I like to put a little pinch of pepper, 1 or 2. And salt. I'll say half a teaspoon or pinch of salt. Now we're gonna add the wine vinegar. I will put 2 cups, 2 little cups. Half a lime or lemon. And olive oil. We're gonna stir it. This looks and smells amazing. We're gonna add a little more. So you wanna, after it's at this stage, you wanna leave it for roughly 30 minutes to an hour before you serve. So all the flavors combines and becomes one. But that's it, guys. This is the salsa criolla, Bill style. Thank you. See you later.